So just want to point out the final exam uh, it most of the question gonna be short answer, gonna be one or two long answer question. Uh, gonna do that, and there might be some question in the quiz also include multiple choice question. So it's a combination of many things. That's the plan for the final exam. Okay. What about the final paper? Do you guys understand what is the expectation for the final paper? If not, you could ask me today or send me an email on Telegram either. Uh, so today we're gonna work on benchmarking. So benchmarking they use a lot in their business, and it also applies to logistics. So we have you guys ever heard this word before? Benchmarking. The benchmarking is like copying, like, but it's not like 100% copy. We learn. Uh, so we look at someone. Maybe we have like a great person, a famous person in mind, and we look at what they do every day, their habit, uh, how they work every day when they wake up, and we try to do the same, but it's just like not 100% the same. It's just like we we was inspired by that person. In the business, the same thing. Like when you do business, you saw some like big company, international company that have like a good business model, and you want to apply that model to your company. That's also called benchmarking. It's like copying. Okay. So benchmarking here is the practice of being humble enough. So you being humble, you know, like say, I am the best. I don't need to learn from anyone. So you need to be humble and enough to admit that someone else is better at something, and being wise enough to try to learn how to match and even surpass them at it. So it's like, for example, eBay was created before Amazon. So eBay is an online selling website. It was created like many years before Amazon. Maybe like people know eBay more than Amazon 10 or 20 years ago. But Amazon, which was created in 1997, and they also benchmark from eBay too, like how they build a website, how like online selling website charge from its customer, doing something like that. That's how Amazon benchmark from eBay, and not only just like 100% copy, but Amazon do it way much better than eBay. They, I don't know, they uh, Amazon they apply a lot of business strategy on top of what they benchmark from eBay. They apply their own too. So that's called like benchmarking in a business. It is a symmetric approach to business improvement where best practice is sought and implemented to improve a process beyond a benchmark performance. So, so benchmark is also a tool to increase performance, to maximize company performance. Okay. So for this lecture, I just want you guys to understand the concept of benchmarking. I'm not asking you to do anything, just want you to understand it. I was asked to build a website for the company, like an oil company before, and they never have a website. And I have no clue because I never built a website for a company before, and this is oil company too. I have no experience. So what one manager told me to do is like, all right, you visit different company like Total, uh, what is it like Bangcha, the one in Thailand, or ExxonMobil. Look at their website and what kind of how they're gonna put like the menu, what type of menu that they put on their website, and make sure we have like we follow the design. Make sure like they have like customer review or they have like a list of their product. You have to do like exactly similar, like just benchmark, not 100% similar, but make sure they say they have like gear oil, heavy industry oil, or motorbike oil, or whatever you have to do. You have to make sure you have that kind of those category in the website too. Yeah. And yes, I did it, and I went over a few different company and then look over that, and then finally I could build a website for them. So it's very unique way of benchmarking. So benchmarking is not about copying other companies' approach. It's not about copy. We learn from them and we see something that is important for us to take from them and apply to us, and it will make us improve our performance. And another principle is adapt before adopting. So also benchmarking is about learning and adapting. So you know that when I go to like or a company like Total company website, I cannot just put everything exactly like them. I have to adapt, like because my oil company don't have everything that they sell, right? So they have like probably 20. They have like international companies, so they put when you go to their website, they put they ask you to select country. What country are you at? But for the oil company that I work on, they only operate in Cambodia, so I don't need those kind of tab, those kind of information to apply to the website. So I just skip that, and I probably go straight to the list of product, like show them what do we sell here. Okay, so we have to adapt some information that our partner or competitor. So most of the time, you learn from your competitor. You learn the business model. You learn from what are they doing from your competitor. So you adapt what they're doing, and then you take those information and adopt it and put in your own company. Also, benchmarking is about learning and adapting appropriate practice so that they can be usefully adopted in an effort to improve efficiency or its effectiveness. So important stage of benchmarking, first you select area you want to study. Okay, same thing is like I want to, so first like our company want to focus on marketing, sale and marketing. So we want to improve sale and marketing, right? So one of the sale and marketing strategy is to create a website and post it on Facebook, create Facebook page or LinkedIn page or whatever that is easily accessible to the public. So we want to develop a marketing strategy, and then the next stage, like we identify the potential benchmarking partner, and we know that for marketing strategy, our company need to have a website, need to have information. So when we contact our customer, trying to find customer, we show them what we are doing. And some people, when they see our website, they trust us right away. We don't need to like trying to persuade them, because oh, this company has cool website. They show us everything. They have their location on Google Map or whatever. That's cool. We trust them. And then we like in terms of the website, when we identify potential benchmarking partner, so most of the time we learn from our competitor. It's not, yeah, we could go to other company or see what other company is doing, how our competitor is doing with their marketing strategy. For example, they probably advertise a lot, maybe on the banner on the road, or like especially in a brewery, in a beer, like Cambodia beer, they they create like a brand, what do you call it, a brand banner to put in front of your house, or to put in a depot. So as long as you buy product from them, they're gonna give you like a brand, like brand name. What you call it? I don't know what in Cambodian language we call pano, but the like in English probably banner kind of too big. Yeah, something like that. That's one of the strategy. So you know that a lot of companies doing that. So when you want to increase sale and have a good marketing strategy, probably you have to do the same too. You do the same, and you probably want to pay some Facebook page, some because some Facebook page they like they post a lot of picture information or content. So you probably ask them, hey, if I pay you $200 to put my company logo and my contact information on your post. Yeah, that's one of marketing strategy benchmarking. And you collect data and select benchmarking partner. This same thing here. You collect data. Some they collect data is like you compare before doing this kind of benchmarking, how much sale you get, and now when you start doing this, is the sale going up or going down, and compared to the spending, is the sale like outweigh the spending or not? So do some kind of thing like that. So this is the end for the class today. Just a short concept here. Want to introduce you about the benchmarking concept. Do you have any questions? Okay. If you don't have any question, please keep sending your score to my email. I will put it up on post it in the classroom system. So we stop recording right now. And let me